School Messenger is the resource we use to send out important information and announcements, weather-related delay or closure alerts, transportation changes, and attendance notifications. Parents and guardians access this resource through the BCPS Parent Portal. Please refer to our Parent Portal tutorial video, linked above, if you need any assistance. Once logged in, select the School Messenger link in the left-hand navigation menu. You will automatically be redirected and signed in to this service. If this is your first time accessing School Messenger, you will see this welcome screen. If you are a returning user, you will be taken directly to the Recent Messages dashboard. Click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the School Messenger menu. To add contact methods and set up notifications, select the Preferences option. On this screen, you can add multiple phone numbers and email addresses and set your notification preferences for each of them. Let's add a phone number first. It's that simple. Each time you add a new contact method, you will be prompted to set your notification preference. For our demonstration, we're going to set this up later. Adding an email address is just as easy. Any phone numbers and email addresses you add appear in the My Contact Information section. In the My Message Preferences section, you will see message categories and the types of notifications currently enabled. By default, you will receive a phone call and email for each message category. Click on a phone number to adjust your call and text notification preferences. For each message category, select how you want to be notified. Once you save your changes, the Message Preferences section will reflect them. We can do the same for email as well. Green icons show active notification methods, whereas gray icons show the inactive ones. You can also adjust your preferences by clicking on individual message categories. Your saved changes are immediately reflected on the Preferences screen. You can add additional phone numbers and email addresses at any time. You can also remove contact methods. Some contact methods are locked and can only be removed by calling your child's school. To remove a contact method that is not locked, simply click on the X next to it. When you are done, be sure to log out of School Messenger to safeguard your personal information. We're here if you need any assistance. Reach out to your child's school and we'll be happy to help.